Welcome to the channel Pharma for You. So today in this video we are going to cover some questions with their detailed explanation, which is very important for your Gpat exam. So students, if you are watching our channel first time, so please subscribe and hit the bell icon for getting more updates on our upcoming videos. So here we have a first question is magnesium sulfate BPC is also called as, and the options are: option A is Epsom salt, option B is gypsum salt, option C is plaster of Paris, option D is Glober's salt. So magnesium sulfate BPC is also called as, the correct answer is the gypsum salt. So let's look on the explanation part. Here we have a just simple table of all the salts. So please try to note down in your notebook, because sometimes in your pharmacist exam or in GPAT exam, these common questions arise. So gypsum salt is MgSO4.2H2O, and plaster of Paris having CaSO4 like this, and Glober's salt's formula is this, where glacier salt is this, and blue vitriol and mohr salts and green vitriol. So students, please write down in your notebook, because question can arise from this topic. So now moving on the next question, that zona fasciculata of suprarenal gland produces, and the options are: option A is mineralocorticoids, option B is glucocorticoids, option C is sex hormone, option D is adrenaline. So zona fasciculata of suprarenal gland produces which hormone? So the correct answer is, it produces glucocorticoids. So let's discuss with the help of explanation. So on first, that suprarenal gland include adrenal gland, adrenal cortex, that is outer layer, and the one is adrenal medulla, it is inner layer. So adrenal cortex is further divided into 3 layers which produces or release hormones. First one is zona glomerulosa, that is a mineral corticoids released by this, that is aldosterone, and regulates sodium potassium balance. Next one is zona fasciculata, it contains glucocorticoids, release cortisol, regulate blood sugar level. And third one is zona reticularis, it releases sex hormone and dihydropianandrosterone and androstenedione. So students, try to note down these functions with the specific names. So next question is, which of the first drugs are potentiated by the second? So here we have option is phenytoin ethinyl estradiol, option B is warfarin phenobarbital, option C is lithium thiazide diuretics, option D is bromocriptine metoclopramide. So which of the first drug are potentiated by second? Means the first drug is this and second drug is this. So which is the correct answer? The correct answer is that the lithium is potentiated by the thiazide diuretics. So let's have an explanation on this. That phenytoin will decrease efficacy of combined oral contraceptives, where phenobarbital inhibits warfarin activity due to liver enzyme induction and increase metabolism. Now the thiazide, which is the correct answer, that thiazide diuretics potentiate action of lithium by reducing lithium clearance. So students, it is the correct answer and is the reason. So now next point is metclopramide antagonize hypoprolactemic effects of bromocriptine. So students, which is the correct answer? It is that thiazide diuretics potentiate action of lithium by reducing lithium clearance. Now next question is, source of amla is? Options are: option A is Phyllanthus nerori, option B is Terminalia chabula, Option C is Terminalia berylica. Option D is Embellica officinalis. So students, it's a question of cognosy. So what is the source of amla? Is amla having the source is Embellica officinalis. So Embellica officinalis is the correct answer. Now next question is, what is the use of phenol coefficient? Options are, option A is to compare a disinfectant killing efficacy to that of phenol. Option B is to determine the dilution at which a disinfectant is to be used. Option C is to determine the purity of disinfectant. Option D is all of the above. So what is the use of phenol coefficient? The use of phenol coefficient is to compare a disinfectant killing efficacy to that of phenol. Now next question is, match the compounds with the pathway they inhibit. Options are vancomycin, rifampicin, pyromycin and ciprofloxacin. So we have to tell about their exact match and with their pathway. So according to this, the correct answer is option A, means 1 vancomycin having the mechanism of action in inhibition of cell wall synthesis, inhibition of cell wall synthesis, where rifampicin having the, that is 2s. Sorry students, it's alphabet, so 1, 2 and 3 and it's on 4. Sorry students for the technical problem. So rifampicin act on the RNA synthesis inhibition, where pyromycin act on the protein synthesis inhibition and ciprofloxacin act as DNA synthesis inhibition. So it's a complete answer students. Moving on the next question. Ideal saponification value for suppository base is, that is option A is 50 to 100, option B is 100 to 150, option C is 150 to 200, option D is 200 to 250. So what is the ideal saponification value for suppository base? The correct answer is 200 to 250. So students, let's discuss about the ideal properties of the suppository base. So here we have just ideal properties. So in this you have to just write down. So students, these three properties are very important. These three properties students, that is the saponification value between 200 to and iodine value and their acid values. So try to note down students their ideal properties. So the saponification value is 200 to 250. Now next question is, evaluation of color in tablets is done by, option A is reflectance spectrophotometer, option B is tri-stimulus colorimetry, option C is microreflectance photometer and option D is all of the above. So which is the evaluation of color in tablet is done by which equipment? So the correct answer is all of the above, means these three equipments are used in the evaluation of color in tablets. So students, now next question is, all of the following ACE inhibitors are prodrug except option A is ramipril, option B is lisinopril, option C is enalapril, option D is perindopril. So all the following are ACE inhibitors. ACE inhibitors are angiotensin converting enzymes. So the correct answer is that lisinopril is not a prodrug, means these ramipril, enalapril and perindopril are the prodrugs. Now next and last question of this video students. Globule size of parenteral emulsion should be, options are 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer, 0.5 to 5 micrometer, 5 to 10 micrometer or any of the above, none of the above. So now the correct answer is, that is globule size of parenteral emulsion should be 0.1 to 0.5 micrometer. So students, this is all about this video. If you students, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for getting more updates on our upcoming videos. So thanks for watching.